My friend gave me 100. How much will I have? Good morning, friends. It's me, Lokesh. Let us join me in solving out one of the important questions of pair of equations for 10th class board examinations. Now, read the question. One says, give me 100, I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other says, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Then tell me what is the amount of the respective capital. So this is the question, okay, one of the very easiest questions. So imagine there are two persons, one is A and one is B. Now if A is telling to B, give me 100, I will become twice as rich as you. So let us take an example. Let A has some 200 rupees and B has some 300 rupees. Okay, now A is asking B to give 100. So how much A will have? 200 plus 100, and how much B will have? 300 minus 100, because it is deducted from B. Okay, so like that we have to tell. Okay, now let us imagine the initial amounts of A and B as X and Y. Now A is telling to B, or A is asking B to give me 100. So for A it will be X plus 100, for B it will be Y minus 100, and the relation is I will become twice as rich as you. I will become twice as you, twice as rich as you. Twice means multiplying 2. Okay, twice as rich as you. Okay, so this is one of the equation. Now similarly the second equation will be A and B, and A has X rupees and B has Y rupees. And now read the question. If you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. If you give me 10, I shall be 6 times. Now Y is telling, B is telling to A, if you give me 10 from you, so I will become Y plus 10, and A will become X minus 10, and the relation is, he is telling, I will become 6 times as rich as you, 6 times as of you. So this is our second equation. So solving both pair of equations, we will get X plus 100 is equal to 2 into Y minus 100, 2 into Y minus 100. Now solving it, we will get X plus 100 is equal to 2Y minus 200, and X sending variables on one side and constants on other side, it will become X minus 2Y is equal to minus 200 minus 100. So that will become X minus 2Y is equal to minus 300. So this is our first equation, and solving this equation will get wait 1 second. Now solving for this equation, it is 6 into X minus 10 is equal to Y plus 10, Y plus 10. So solving it, 6x minus 60 is equal to Y plus 10, and sending variables on one side and constant on the other side, 6x minus Y is equal to 60 plus 10. So that it will be 6x minus Y is equal to 70. 6x minus Y is equal to 70, and the first equation is X minus 2Y is equal to minus 300. X minus 2Y is equal to minus 300, and second equation is 6x minus Y is equal to 70. 6x minus Y is equal to 70. If we want to do by elimination method, it is one of the best method, elimination method. We have to make sure that the coefficients of either X or Y should be same. Here the quotient of X is 1 and here it is 6. Either we have to multiply this equation with 6 and we have to multiply this equation with Y, or see here, Y quotient is 2 here and Y quotient is 1 here, so better multiply this with 2, that's enough. So it will be 1x minus 2y is equal to minus 300, and it will be 12x minus 2y is equal to 140. Now doing subtraction, minus plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. So 1x minus of 12x, it is minus 11x, minus 2y plus 2y cancel, and minus 300 minus 140 will become minus 440, and both sides minus gets cancelled, and we'll get 11x is equal to 440, and x is equal to 440 by 11, and 11 ones are 11 fourths are, so x is equal to 40. Now substituting this x value in either of these equations, like either this equation or this equation, we'll solve this equation, is pretty easier. X minus 2y is equal to minus 300, minus 300, and x is here 40, 40 minus 2y is equal to minus 300, and 40, this minus 300 will become plus 300 when it comes this side, is equal to plus 2y, yeah, and 2y is equal to 340 and y is equal to 340 by 2, it will be 170. So ultimately x is 170 and y is, x is 40 and y is 170, yeah, y is 170 and x is 40. Now we will check the relation, yeah, see here, initially a is having x 40 and b is having y 170. Now a is telling to b, if you give me 100, that means 40 plus 100 will become 140 and it will become 170 minus 100, it will become what, 70. I shall be twice, yes, 72s are 140, yeah, verified. And now b is telling, second equation is b is telling 40 170. Now b is telling, if you give me 10 rupees, that means 40 minus 10 will become 30, it will become 170 plus 10 180, 36 are 180, yeah, so that's also satisfied. So our answers are correct. Please like and share if you like this video and subscribe to my channel Lokesh Tutor. Okay, thank you, we'll meet you later.